Jones Road created Everyday Sunscreen to be your everyday sunscreen. Easy to wear, lightweight, is supposed to pair well with makeup, so that's what we're gonna do today. I tried it the other day, just when I wasn't really doing anything. I had just gotten it in the mail and I was really excited to just test it out. But I didn't test it under makeup, didn't test it to see how it made my makeup wear throughout the day, so that's what we're gonna be doing, and we're gonna be doing check-ins throughout the day to see how well it helps our makeup last. Some sunscreens break up your makeup or make your makeup look greasy. Get 1.69 fluid ounces for $42. This comes in 5 shades. This is meant to be a color correcting product. This is not for coverage. Pigments in here to cancel out the white cast and correct your skin tone. I was sent the shade Sandy, which has a yellow hue. I am yellow undertoned, so this is supposed to help offset the white cast for my light to medium skin tone. And of course, we will be testing it out today with the Jones Road Just Enough Tinted Moisturizer. I have a full review on this tinted moisturizer if you would like to watch that. I also have the shade Ivory. You can apply this with your fingers or with the daily brush. I really do love this brush. It's very soft. Okay, so we have some redness, some discoloration, I have some breakouts, so you're gonna be able to see how this color corrects on my skin. This does have zinc oxide as the physical sunscreen. I love that it is not scented. It doesn't smell like sunscreen, which is something that really bothers me. It tends to make me nauseous, especially all day smelling it on my skin. Does not bother my sensitive breakout prone skin, which is really nice because I am very sensitive to sunscreens. I can't just like pick up a sunscreen, slap it on my face, not expect some sort of irritation. So I love that this is sensitive skin friendly. This is why I use a lot of Jones Road products and really do love them, because they look good on my skin and they don't break me out. This has a natural finish, just so you know. It's not super dewy, it's not mattifying, it's not drying. I've never been somebody who enjoys sunscreens, and this one is actually enjoyable. It makes me feel really pretty. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like paired with the Jones Road Just Enough Tinted Moisturizer. This is supposed to be a great base for any makeup. I just would like to try it with this, since this is a product that I've been loving to use this summer. Great coverage, and it does not boast performance, but man, does this perform in the heat. My skin looks great and it lasts. So I do like applying this with my fingers. Also, definitely apply the sunscreen after you've applied all of your skincare products. Let those sink in. I love that it's not pilling up. This is a great base. Okay, you guys, I'm just realizing I forgot to put all my earrings in. We're gonna have to do that. And by the way, this is just bathroom lighting. I just have a little vanity light that's like basic. This is not under studio lighting. This is real life, baby. It looks really healthy, glowy, natural. What a wonderful dynamic duo. I'll take my amazement off camera and we'll be right back. Oh, I am happy to report this made, hold on, let's calm down. The Everyday Sunscreen made my makeup apply flawlessly. Not that I'm not using good products already, but I just felt like everything melted easier. Could be because I layered it with the Jones Road Just Enough. Dynamic duo alert, dynamic duo alert. I feel beautiful right now. We'll go outside to check out actual finish of it and make sure that it still looks good in outdoor lighting. But under my bathroom vanity lighting, no studio lights, there's nothing bright or crazy in here. She is looking pretty. She's looking pretty. Welcome to outside. I just wrapped up finishing filming what's on my face right now, other than, you know, what we just saw. But I feel like this looks really good. We are out here doing product shots for that video. So I'm gonna be out in the sun for a little bit and sweating. So I will see you guys after I finish this. But for now, I feel like these two products layered together and the rest of my makeup, she will not go away. The rest of my makeup looks pretty dang good. You guys let me know. It is so hot. It's so hot. It's so hot. It is so hot, you guys. This is like the 4th time my camera has overheated. I have to stop. But I've been out there for a good 30 minutes and this is what our makeup is looking like. I sweated so much. I feel like I need another shower. We don't have time for that. Here is the way things are looking. Of course, I chewed all my lip product off, drank some water, spilled that on my chin, but I feel like we're still looking like really fresh, really nice. I have to turn my camera off. I will check in with you guys after I have to go to the grocery store, come back, run more errands out in the heat. Let's go see how this does. It is now 4 p.m. I just got home from running errands in this heat, okay? In this heat. I feel like my car is literally shutting down because it's so hot. Everything is looking so fresh, other than the dry skin around my nose. Like, what? I mean, I know that the Just Enough Tinted Moisturizer looks amazing all the time. It wears well, but I do feel like this sunscreen, even though it's just sunscreen, definitely gave a beautiful prep like it claims. And I'm literally just in front of my window. There is no lighting. This is what we're looking like. I'm highly impressed. It's not greasy. It's not breaking up any products on my face. I mean, what more can you ask for? And I'm protected from the sun. All right, we'll continue the day. I'm going to do some work inside, even though I'm still sweating inside, guys. It's 107 degrees outside. So, and I have window units. So we are still sweating. Don't you worry about it. Hi, you guys. Doing the end of the night check-in. The sun is almost ready to go down, and this is what we're looking at. I have been working all day, somewhat outside, ran errands outside, have not touched up my makeup at all. I feel like we look fresh as a daisy. I'm talking, I was sweating down my face so bad earlier when I was taking shots out here and working outside. Like, how is my makeup this fresh? I really believe it's the sunscreen as a base. I know, like I said, that tinted moisturizer does perform well, but not this well under these circumstances. It literally got to 107 degrees out today. I was off and on in my hot car, and I have no breakout. I have no irritation. I might be irritating birds, but I have no irritation on my skin from the sunscreen. I love that it's not scented. I love that it's color correcting to reduce the white cast, but you still get that zinc oxide protection. Makes other color and coverage products look beautiful. Very impressive. I will have a link below if you would like to check the sunscreen out, and also my full review on the Just Enough Tinted Moisturizer. I will be wearing this combo from here on out, probably the rest of the summer, because this is nuts. Like, this is performance. Look at my pores. Nothing is like sinking into them. All right, I'm 36. I have fine lines. I wore concealer, I powdered. But there's no like creasing or creping or, you know, no sinking into the fine lines. My blush looks good. My highlight looks good. My bronze looks good. Not making anything break up, which is highly impressive to me. Love to know your opinion. What sunscreen are you using right now? What one are you loving? The sun is almost setting. I've had this on my face for 8 hours? Longer than 8 hours in the hot sun, in the hot heat. Good on you, Jones Road. Good on you.
All right.